Good afternoon, guys. Today we're working on a 2005 Chevy 2500, Silverado. This is Duramax Diesel. And what we're doing today, came in here for surging and lunging and just was an island worth of crap. So, we hook our scanner up to it and everything and figured out that this little solenoid right here has gone bad. So, it's a doozy to get to. It's really fun. So the most important thing is take your AC off, take your alternator off, get it out of the way. Obviously unhook your batteries. You want to take this thing off of here. That comes off and makes life easy is taking this off. This one here is full of all kind of crap, so I'm going to tell the owner about that. But anyway, take this off. It has O-rings. Once you take the top of it off, it just pops out. And that goes right down in there. Sets in there like so. And is right dead in the way of everything. So just take a pry bar right there and pry out on it once you get it loosened up. And your little solenoid sits right there, right back in there. So you want to take your thermostat housing off, take your thermostat thing off right there. Makes everything easy. That's what it should look like. You just want to tear it all down. Take your computer stuff apart, take all this off, and take these out. There's 3 little T25s. Here's a new one. And there's the new one. We're going to put that bad boy back in there. There's your part number from Bosch. Probably from the dealer. I think this is from GM. 0928400653 is the part number. So there's your part number, and we are using a T25. And they're fun to get to. Believe me, they are a pain in the butt. But anyway, I took this fuel line right here off. It's underneath it here. Makes life a little easier to get to, too. I took that off. That right there off. Moved it out of my way up here. And just got it out. So now I'm getting ready to put it all back together. And that's it. So there's what it looks like when it's tore apart. I'll come back with another video here later on. And if you guys have any questions at all, just feel free to leave them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. You guys have a good day.